there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name's Richard and today I'm coming to you with the first step of being treated by Wyndly. Now I've covered Wyndly before because Wyndly is actually one of, if not the newest investment from Sweater Ventures, which is a venture capital fund for everyone. And when I saw this was a product that was it's kind of a higher end, higher price product, but I thought this was a product that I could review, I could use, and I could really give you an idea. And I'll tell you, I am not a fan of doctors, doctor offices, other things like that. I don't live in a rural area, like a lot of the people that Wyndly may be treating, but I don't want to go to the doctor just to get an allergy test and get allergy treatment. Now, as of right now, I believe that I am allergic to cats. Well, I know I'm allergic to cats. I'm allergic to cats, I'm allergic to chalk, and I am allergic to grass. And it seems like they can help with cats and grass, but who knows about chalk? But I might be allergic to other things. So this is the first video. I'm going to show you the kit, unpack the kit, show you how it works, do it myself, everything like that. And then we're going to do more videos. We're going to have, what's really cool is when I ordered this kit, the doctor who's going to be overseeing what's going on with me is actually the CEO of the company. So it's really kind of cool. So I'm going to show you this kit, show you how this kit works. Then we're going to go, believe it or not, before the next consultation, to a cat cafe and see how my cat allergens do at a cat cafe, because you can't have an after without a before. So I just got this today. I ordered this on the weekend, and it's now Wednesday. So it came in about 3 days, came via UPS, and was inside an envelope that had my address on it. I just took the address off, and we'll open it up. And we've got Wyndly. Life's better without allergies. So let's take a look right here. Now there is a setup video. I'm going to pause this. You're welcome to scan that QR code, or you just go to Wyndly, WYNDLY.com/start. You can call them if you wanted to walk you through the test. But here's the summary. Watch the video. Fill out the back of the card. So we got this card. Gotta fill out the back of that card. I will fill that out after the video. I drink water. And warm your hands. Yeah, I live in South Florida. Warming my hands is not hard. I did already go ahead and wash my hands. So let's see what we gotta do. What we have to do, I will play the video for you now so you can kind of see what's going on with this video right here. Alright, so now we are back from the video and it's time to do the actual test. So we can see we've got our 4 little specimen holes right there. We've got a specimen number, which we do, the video said we do that online once we're trying to prick our finger and everything. So this is the little card. This is what you're really mailing back to them at the end. got some Starburst, because why not have some Starburst? They actually included those in the box. We've got all, this is everything in the bag that's necessary to actually do the test. And then we've got a bag to actually seal our test back up in and put it into the mail. So you see, life is better without allergies. Wyndly, let's try it. So we've got all this stuff right here. I did go wash my hands about a minute or two ago. So we've got a gauze pad. Got one of these. We got the finger prickers. I am not a diabetic that I know of. Honestly, I'm a little bit afraid of this. You may be too. There we go. So I think this is just spring-loaded. Yeah. And you push right there, and it pricks you. I'll tell you, I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of blood. So what I've got to get ready, the alcohol prep pad and the gauze right here. So we're just going to open up the alcohol prep pad. Got the camera on a tripod right now. Let's move this Wyndly out of the way. So we've got, again, that testing strip. We've got our alcohol prep pad. And what we've got to do is we have to squeeze the blood out of our hands. I'm showing you this in real time. This is not anybody that works for Wyndly. I'm not talking to anybody that works for Wyndly. It's a little scary, not going to lie. But, I'm going to try this. Again, I am not a fan of blood at all. And yes, I wear 2 watches because they say I've got too much time on my hands. Whew. So, yeah, I twisted that little guy off right here. Again, I guess that kind of sets what's going on. And then I guess I just have to push that against my finger. I'm really, 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 really not looking forward to this. You might hear me scream like a little girl on a camera. But I guess that's all you can do. Twist off, press down to prick finger. I've never actually done this to myself. And what I do have to do is I do have to have my little wipe available right here to wipe off the blood on the end of the finger. Why am I doing this on camera? I guess I'm doing this on camera because I'm doing this on camera. The other option is to go to an allergist office and get them to prick it for you and everything like that. What's nice is they do actually offer a large amount of bunch of other stuff, and they even have a little biohazard bag which I can put things in. Okay, I've cleaned off the finger. This is it. No. I've never done this before. I did watch the video. Oh, there we go. So what it said you want to wipe off the first little bit right there. So you can see that little thing pricked me. I'm going to wipe that off, and we're going to fill some circles. So I want you to fill the circles the best you can. And you're kind of just dripping down, and filling the circles. Ooh. Yeah. Sorry for keeping you out there, because I've got one circle pretty full. Again, making sure we're doing this right. Fill the circles collection card with the blood drops. I got blood drop number 1. Well, I don't want to prick my finger again. But again, you're just kind of, it says to push it out. When you push it out, there we go. Now do make sure that you do get properly hydrated before you do this. Add as much blood as we can to the circles. It is getting a little bloody, a little nasty. I apologize, but I do want to show you this process the best way that I actually can. So as soon as you hit the paper, a lot of what's in the blood is actually transferring out. And it is actually going through to the other side as well, but I guess that's why they gave it to you the way they gave it to you. Not the easiest thing in the world, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm trying to show this to you live to show you how long it takes and whether or not you should do Wyndly or go to your doctor's office. One of the nice things is they do have the ability, if you do already have an allergy test and you do want to be treated by them, you can actually just send in your allergy test, and it's actually a lot cheaper than doing this yourself. Again, I'm doing this myself because I am allergic to cats, allergic to chalk, and allergic to grass. And we got one more circle to fill in here. And fortunately, we don't have to prick the blood again. But I really did want to show you what's going on, how much blood you've got, because I myself have wondered this. So I want to show you this in actual real time so you could say, hey, is Wyndly right for me? This is an investment. If you are doing this, one of the nice things is you can use your health savings account. This is not, again, is not eligible for most insurance programs, but you can use an HSA or health savings account. And again, I want to fill that as much as possible. Fill the circles on the collection card with blood drops. So I'm going to keep going because I want to show you exactly how long this actually takes to do. So you see, I'm just kind of squeezing out the blood. I did go ahead and drink a lot of water before I started this. This might be something I've got to fill out a little bit more. But once you get those circles filled with your blood, what you've got is you've got this little biohazard bag right here. And what you do is you take this card with your blood, you give it about 20 minutes to dry, put it in that biohazard bag, put the biohazard bag and all that back in the envelope. Yeah, you can keep your candy. I pricked my finger, so while I'm waiting for it to bleed again, I'm gonna have some Starburst they sent along. It's a messy job, but someone's got to do it. Again, don't mean to gross anyone out, but if we want some blood, we got some blood right there. Again, so just kind of massage your finger, get your heart pumping, get some more blood out there, and it's about as much blood as is going to come out. So I hope that is enough blood there, but again, while the sample dries, you can do that. Place the dried card specimen back in the Wyndly box, put the blocks in the mailer bag, place the package in your mailbox, or you can drop it off. Again, it's all about squeezing out that blood and moving it. So they make it look a lot easier on the internet than it is in real life. Ain't that the truth? But I'm just squeezing as much of this blood. Those of you that are people that don't like blood, it's probably not the thing for you. I'm a person that doesn't really like blood, but I do it for the content. So again, see, it wants you to kind of fill those circles completely, so I can get some blood and more accurately fill those blood circles completely. And what they're going to do is they're going to find the allergens that go with that. So I'm going to finish this up, let it dry, register, go through the process, everything like that. I just need this little number, put my name, birthday on the back, well, name, date of birth, and date of blood collection on the back. And within 2 weeks, I should actually hear back from my doctor, who's actually the CEO of the company, and we're going to go forward, and he's going to tell me what the allergy test came out with, and everything like that. But in the meantime, in the next few weeks, I am going to go out and find me some cats. To make sure that, I know I still have my allergen to cats, but I think it's valid to kind of show you all, watching here, a before and after. I think we've got enough of a blood sample there. So Richard from No Pants Profits. Not liking needles one bit, but step one of the Wyndly process and kind of figuring out what you are allergic to. And I'm going to bring you along every step of the way. Hope you enjoyed, and remember, when you wear no pants, there's only one thing you got left to lose. I think we all know what that is. It's your shirt. Have a great one. Hope you enjoyed part number 1 and part number 2, 3, 4, 5, however many parts we need to do on Wyndly. Coming up soon. Have a good one. With my bloody finger still, which you should wipe off with the gauze and take your Band-Aid. This is Richard from No Pants Profits saying, bye!